Hey, it's Lyndsay Ray. Welcome to the channel. Today we are making pasta. Now, before we get into anything, I want you to comment down below right now what your favorite pasta noodle is. I'm a big Barbadelli fan, but I'm also a sucker for some bow ties. So we are making 5 different pasta dishes. We're making these dishes over the course of 2 days. Day 1 is going to be a spaghetti and meatball and linguine and clam sauce. Day 2, we're not doing 1, 2, but 3 different pastas. We'll be making penne and a spicy vodka sauce with some peas, a light and lemony linguine with shrimp, and a stuffed spinach ricotta ravioli in a creamy garlic sauce. But without further ado, let's make some pasta. All right, so we are going to try to make fresh pasta, right, Bubba? But we're gonna do it semi from scratch. We're gonna try to do it with this Emerald pasta maker. We're going to be attempting to make spaghetti and meatballs with turkey and pork. Wish us luck. Salt slay. Oil sizzling. Here we got some leftover sauce we're gonna use. Seasoned meat. Half turkey, half pork. Wow. Guys, just start making your own sauce. It's so much better. So much better.
Of me.
So we're gonna saute them in this and then finish them in the oven. So it's got a timer on it because it just mixes in there. Till it's done. It's paused. It's happening. It's happening. Oh my god, it's working! Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a better shot. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cool! Whoa! We got pasta! Goes, it like dumps some in this little hole and then gets it in the trap, see? And then as the dough falls in the trap, it gets pushed out into pasta. Hello. It's working and it looks good. Also, for a full batch of pasta with all the items included, it's only like 650 calories. That's crazy. So guys, consensus is the pasta maker works. It does everything for you, and it comes with different attachments. Ooh. How long does it take?
I don't know, like 4 or 5 minutes.
Cool. We move the pasta from here to the sauce. And then I'm having a little clam sauce on the side because I had it left over. Alrighty guys, ugh. It is the moment of truth. I've got my fresh spaghetti with clam sauce and my fresh spaghetti and meatballs that has the turkey pork combo. So we're gonna first try the linguine first because it's not as homemade. I mean, it's homemade, but the sauce isn't. Ooh. All right, ready? Let's do it. Cheers. It's so good. Okay, I've gotta try the star of the night, the spaghetti meatballs. Try spaghetti first with the sauce. It's so good. It's like kind of doughy a little bit, but not in a raw way, in like a chewy way. I think pasta is supposed to be a little chewy. Time for a meatball. It's perfect. I 10 out of 10 would recommend. Hope this was helpful. Enjoy your nights. Cheers. It is officially the next day, and Jimmy and I had so much fun making the pasta yesterday that we decided to do it again tonight, except this time we're making 4 pastas? 3 pastas. 1, a ricotta spinach-filled ravioli. 2, penne vodka sauce with peas. And 3, shrimp, lemon, butter, parsley. Shrimp linguine. This is not sponsored, but if you want to, I'm happy to make pasta videos every week. Go. Alrighty, the raviolis were a bit of a fail. We're trying to salvage them. The world's biggest ravioli. The machine did not work as we expected, so this is what we've got. Guys, they actually cooked without exploding. And then the massive one's in there. Current panic is this not getting stuck. Say a prayer. Alrighty guys, linguine was a way bigger success. Penne take 2. Penne going in. It's like a delicious sauce. Alright, we're gonna put the linguine in, the shrimp. It was a race to the finish, but we made it. I'm gonna show you the final dishes. So here we've got a delicious fresh linguine with shrimp, parsley, garlic, red pepper flakes, a little bit of Parmesan, lemon sauce. This is our penne kind of vodka tomatoey sauce with some peas and Parmesan. Here we've got our raviolis, which actually look really good in the sauce. It's like a creamy garlic sauce with stuffed ricotta and spinach. I'm gonna plate these up real quick and do a taste test. Okay, it is finally time for the taste test. We're gonna go in with the penne vodka sauce with the peas first. Get a good bite right here. Ooh, it does have heat to it. That's good. It's like a tomatoey spicy sauce, really. Okay, next up we're gonna try the linguine and shrimp. Get a big linguine scoop. That's really good. The pasta itself is incredible. Last one, I'm gonna go in for the ravioli. Oh wow, it's actually good. Obviously I kind of messed them up, but the sauce and the filling, 10 out of 10. Charlie wants attention, so we're gonna wrap this up. See you in the next one. Bye guys.